You're not tired. You're mentally exhausted from living in a constant war with your own thoughts. Before you try to fix everything in your life, take a breath. Because overthinking isn't helping you. It's killing your joy, your relationships, and your confidence. And the worst part? You think it's making you smarter. Let me show you why that's a lie. Chapter 1. Overthinking is just fear in disguise. You replay conversations, analyze texts, imagine worst-case scenarios, and call it being careful. But let's call it what it really is. Fear. Fear of making the wrong move. Fear of being judged. Fear of not being in control. Overthinking gives you the illusion of control, but in reality, it paralyzes you. You're trying to predict pain before it even happens. And in doing so, you're living that pain twice. First in your mind, then in real life. When you overthink, you don't solve problems. You multiply them. Chapter 2. You think you're preparing. You're just suffering early. Here's the hard truth. Most of the things you obsess over never happen. Your brain is wired to protect you, not to make you happy. So it sounds the alarm, constantly, even when there's no threat. You're not preparing. You're just torturing yourself. You overanalyze that one awkward moment, imagining it ruined everything. You hesitate to make a decision, fearing it'll be the wrong one. You want a perfect outcome, so you never take the first step. And while you're stuck in your head, life is moving on without you. Chapter 3. The Overthinker's Paradox. You think more but do less. Overthinking feels productive, but it's the ultimate procrastination. The more you think, the less you act. And the less you act, the worse you feel. You stay stuck in loops of what-ifs instead of what now. You replay what they said instead of asking what you want. You wait for certainty in a world that only offers probability. Thinking doesn't solve everything. Doing does. Chapter 4. Overthinking is a habit, and it can be broken. You're not broken, you're just trained. Your brain got used to the loop, and now it needs a new one. Here's how to start. Give your thoughts a deadline. Don't sit with a decision forever. Name your fear, label it out loud. You strip it of its power. Focus on your next action, not your next answer. Talk to yourself like someone you love, not like someone you hate. Your thoughts are not facts. You don't have to believe every single one. Chapter 5. You don't need clarity to begin. You need courage. You're waiting to feel ready. But clarity comes after action, not before. You don't need to know everything. You just need to move. Tiny steps, taken consistently, will change your life faster than overthinking ever could. You'll never think your way into a perfect future, but you can walk your way into a better one. Watch this again. When you start spinning. So next time you find yourself overthinking, come back to this video. Remind yourself, the goal is not perfection, it's progress. Not answers, just action. Not being right, just being real with yourself. And hey, if this spoke to you, maybe it's time to speak back. Hit subscribe, because sometimes all you need is someone to remind you you're not alone in this.